Hi viewers, today's my topic is dimensions and dimensional formula. This cannot be completed in one video, so that's why I am preparing for number of videos. You see the part number and listen. This is part 1 of it. Dimensions and dimensional formula. Whenever a derived quantity is written in terms of fundamental quantities, then for example velocity, if you want to write that in fundamental quantities, we will write length by time, displacement by time. So we will write L t power minus 1. So if we want to write the derived quantity in terms of fundamental quantities, then the fundamental quantities is to be raised to some powers, and we will show as the product of different base quantities or fundamental quantities. And here if you write mass, the power of mass here is 0, and you can write the different base quantities, but generally we will write only L, T and M. Whenever the temperature is required, we will write it, temperature, current, like that. So these powers to which the base quantities are raised to represent a derived quantity are called dimensions. So dimensions means the powers to which the fundamental quantities are raised to represent a derived quantity. Those powers are called dimensions, and the total product, the product of different fundamental quantities which represents a derived quantity, that product is called dimensional formula of this derived quantity. So dimension formula of this derived quantity is L t power minus 1. Here, whereas the power of L is 1, power of t, dimension of time is minus 1, dimension of length is 1, and if mass is not there, dimension of mass in this dimensional formula is 0. Similarly, you take force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. So first of all we will write acceleration, then we will go to force. Acceleration, difference of velocity by time, change in velocity by time. If initial velocity is 0, change in velocity will be final velocity only. So velocity by time. The dimension formula of velocity, just now we had seen L t power minus 1 by t. So as a whole we will write L t power minus 2. This is the dimension formula of acceleration. Similarly, you see force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass, acceleration, dimension formula of acceleration is L t power minus 2. So the dimension formula of force is m L t power minus 2. The dimension of L here is 1. The dimension of mass here is 1. The dimension of time in this is minus 2. This is how for any derived quantity we could able to write its dimensional formula, and we can see the dimensions of different fundamental quantities in that dimensional formula. Now here we will see its applications. What are the uses of dimensional formula or dimensional analysis? Applications, we will learn that under the subheading applications. Here 5 applications are there. So the first one, Application 1. It is used to find the unit of a derived quantity. For example, here you see velocity. And you know the dimension formula of velocity is L t power minus 1. Now what will be the units of velocity? Units of velocity is equal to units of length is meter. Units of time is second. So meter per second. So this is how we can derive the units of a derived quantity by using dimensional formula. So this is the first use of a dimensional formula. We will see number of examples also. Acceleration, you see, just now we had seen acceleration. Dimension formula of the acceleration is L t power minus 2. Now you can write the units of acceleration. Units of acceleration. Now what are the units of length? Meter. What are the units of time? Second. So meter per second square is the units of acceleration. Similarly, units of force. M L t power minus 2. Mass into acceleration. So M L t power minus 2. Now we can write down the units of force. Units of force. Now, what is the unit of mass? Kg. What is the unit of length? Meter. And time? Second. So, kg meter per second square is the unit of force. This is also written as Newton. This is also written as Newton. And these are few examples of finding or writing down their units. And application 2 I'll explain in the next video. Till then, bye bye.